What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And if it's one thing I'm going to do is shop and experiment, not only because I have this YouTube channel with this wonderful community that we've built, but because I just like doing random stuff with photography. So what am I speaking about? Starburst. That is the technical name for this. It is Starburst. Now, if you're not familiar with it, I will pop a photo up so you can see it. So with that being said, this is what I wanted to do. Now, I've done photo shoots before in the past where I will go into Photoshops and I will make, these lines to have it in certain areas. And I know it's going to be some of you photographers that hit my comment section. So let me just say this right now. I know I am late, extremely late to the party. But as I was on Amazon, just looking at this or whatever, and I saw the name, I'm like, that's a thing? Like, people aren't in Photoshop just creating this, even though a lot of people are. But not only that, it was cheap. So I'm talking about a lens filter, right? And trust me, I know a lot of people hear lens filter and they click off immediately. But this is $30. Like, this is dirt cheap. So this isn't even something that breaks the bank or anything. And I just think that you should try it out and experiment. Now, what I will say is this. The way that K&F packaged this was beautiful. It gives you three, and by three, it gives you three filters. So $30, three filters. But the thing about these filters are, it is eight star, 6-star, and 4-star. Now, what does that mean? Okay, so think of it like this. The stars is a line, right? Boom, boom, right? However you want to do it. But you count these lines at the tip of the line. So the 8 gives you essentially 4 lines, but it's 8 different points. The 6 gives you 3 lines, but 6 different points. And the 4 gives you 2 lines with 4 different points, right? That's how they go with this. Now, the thing about it is, if you are outside shooting at night, you are going to love it. It is going to make every single light that you see do the starburst effect, and you get to turn it. So once you turn it, you can actually get it to how you want these starbursts to look, right? And you can see that when it comes to do with video a lot, it'll be a little harder, I guess, if you're doing like flash photography, which is one thing that I wanted to do. I wanted to do flash photography with this. Now, I bought 2 different outfits. One of the outfits I really thought was going to do good, but I had a shoot coming up the next day. And a lot of times when I'm doing something new, I like to test it like the day before or just a little bit time before, so I can make sure I have everything right. So the goal that I had was like my test shot. And I was hoping, that it would show through, but it didn't. And I tried so many different things. Okay. Nothing yet. All right. Hopefully this goes good. Because that would suck if it didn't. Dang, I thought that would work. Let's see. Am I doing something wrong? Oh wait, I think I see a little. Do y'all see it? I don't know. I just gotta find a way to like get the stars where I need it. Cause I don't know if light is even touching. Like, I'm about to aim this just like straight at it just to see if it'll work. I'm just gonna aim it like literally at the material. Nothing. The part that's crazy though is when I took photos, sometimes like in her eye, I get like that starburst, or on the edge of the fabric, I would get that starburst effect, but not the way that I wanted to. So I was a little discouraged, and I didn't expect much when the model came in with the outfit that I wanted to do. I didn't expect that it would go good, but oh my God. Oh shit. I got some stars on it. I got some stars on it. All right. So now I just need to experiment where the light, yep, probably like right here. Look behind you. Let me see. I feel like if it's, the closer it is, like further back it does that. Which way you like better? I'll say something maybe like this, right? Yeah. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is try to get it as flat as possible. The photos that we were able to create, the video that I was able to put together, all of it was just phenomenal. I did not expect it. I wanted to do some close-up beauty, and when I was doing that part was a little hard just because of lighting beauty, you know, I had to be a little bit more strategic with it. So I didn't get it on the material like I want to. I want you to keep in mind about this. If you get this lens filter, you definitely have to experiment because the light has to hit it the right way to where it looks like it is a light source. If I was to put this Starburst filter on right now, you wouldn't see any type of starburst in my background because my light isn't doing what it needs to do in order to achieve that look. Okay, but when it came to, you know, these little rhinestones, because that's what it was, like these little rhinestones, when it came to that, it was perfect. The way the light hits it and reflects off makes it looks as if it is a, you know, light source. So experiment. I say things like glitter, you know, things like that. Experiment with things like that when you are using this lens filter. Now, the way that they package this, like I said, it comes in a nice pouch. Even if it's just one filter out of it that you like the most, you can take the other two out, replace it with your other K&F filters, and then now you just have a little pack that you could take wherever you want with your 3 favorite filters. It's like I said, it's really dependent on the type of look that you're going for. But I mean, this is my review on it. I went out, I bought it. They didn't sponsor this video or anything. I always buy little things that I find just to experiment, to show you guys and see how I like it, how anybody else could incorporate it. But do me a favor, in the comment section, let me know, have you ever experimented with this? Is it something that you might want to check out? And do you usually do a Photoshop thing? Now, what I can do is show you the way that I do it in Photoshop. If you are interested in seeing something like that, just let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll put together an editing video on how you could achieve this look without buying this cheap K&F filter. So until the next time, guys, my name is Ryan Troy, and peace.